Hello guys, we're here at Nice Car Collection in Quebec. Let's go inside. Hello guys, we're back at home. I'm just gonna show you the items that I brought from a nice car collection diecast store in Quebec. I'm gonna put their website on the description. So let's start with these EP.26 2021 Christmas edition. So I have, now it's complete, I have 2021, 22, and 23. We also have these RWB by Tarmac Works. Also have these, another RWB by Tarmac Works. Also bought these Mini GT Liberty Walk tent set. And we also got some figures on 1/18 scale. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. We also have this one. And this one. So we have 2 female and 3 males, because we cannot do a diorama with all males on it. I also bought a wall art license plate. I do have a Quebec license plates now. It's actually a real license plate, but I think it's retired, so it's just a decor now. Also this one. So it has the difference between these 4-letter 2 numbers and these 4 numbers 3-letter plate. They said this one is commercial and this one is private. So yeah, so that's it for this video guys. We're gonna do individual unboxing of these items, and if you guys love this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys next time. Thank you. Bye bye.